Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. What if after this meditation, something shifts so deeply within you that the person you desire can no longer ignore your presence? What if they began to see you not just as someone they like, but someone they cherish, someone they are proud of, someone they want to introduce to their family? Stay with me because in the next 5 minutes, you are going to step into the version of you who is chosen, valued, and fully claimed. And if you are ready to receive that energy, type in the comments, "I am claimed." Now let's begin. Close your eyes, breathe in deeply through your nose, hold, and release slowly through your mouth. Feel your body softening, your shoulders dropping, your jaw unclenching. Let go of the need to chase. Let go of the fear of not being enough. You are safe here. You are powerful here. You are already becoming. With every breath, you sink deeper into calm and certainty. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind or softly out loud. I am worthy of love that is open and proud. I am the person they want to show to the world. I am chosen naturally and effortlessly. They feel proud to be with me. I am introduced with love, excitement, and certainty. I am more than enough exactly as I am. My presence creates deep emotional connection. I am unforgettable. I am valued, respected, and cherished. They see a future with me clearly. Now pause, breathe. Feel these words becoming your truth. Now I want you to step into this scene. You are standing beside them, calm, confident, and glowing. And they reach for your hand. And you walk in together into a room filled with their family. There's no hesitation, no doubt, only certainty. They smile and introduce you. Feel the warmth in the room. Feel the acceptance. Feel the pride in their voice. And most importantly, feel the version of you who expects this. Because this version of you doesn't chase. This version of you attracts. This version of you knows I am the one they choose. Let that identity lock in. Breathe it in. Anchor it in your chest. Now say, I am the partner they proudly claim. I am introduced with love and certainty. I attract commitment with ease. I am chosen again and again. Feel it, believe it, become it. Your reality is shifting now. You can now open your eyes when you're ready. To seal this energy in, type, I am introduced. And if you are ready to manifest this even faster, visit joybyjanell.com for deeper guidance, powerful manifestation tools, and personalized support to align you with the love you deserve.